Creating a Discord account on a mobile device is straightforward and can be done through the Discord mobile app. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download Discord app. Go to your device's app store and search for Discord. Download and install the Discord app. Open the app. Once installed, open the Discord app by tapping on its icon. Sign up. On the welcome screen, you will see two options, login and sign up. Tap on sign up to create a new account. Username and password. Fill in the required information. Choose a unique username that isn't already in use by another Discord user. Create a strong password, which should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the password. Email verification. Provide a valid email address. Discord will send you a verification code to this email. Verification code. Check your email for the verification code from Discord. Enter this code into the app to confirm your email. Profile picture. You can add a profile picture by tapping on the avatar icon and selecting edit. Upload a picture from your device or take a new one. Set a server. Discord will suggest joining a server or community based on your interests. You can choose one or skip this step. Explore Discord. Once your account is created, you can explore Discord, join servers, add friends, and customize your settings. Privacy settings. Consider adjusting your privacy settings by going to User Settings, Privacy and Safety. Here, you can control who can send you friend requests and messages.